Hello students, welcome back to KBI Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasis Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we learned about Newton's first law of motion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum in a body is directly proportional to the net external force applied on it. Means if there is a body and we apply force on it, so the force will be directly proportional to the change of momentum of the body. Newton's second law of motion defines the force also. We can derive the formula of force with the help of Newton's second law of motion. So today we will discuss about how to derive the formula of force. Let consider a body of mass m which is moving with velocity u. A force is applied on it so that its velocity becomes v. The body is moving with initial velocity u, and when we apply force on it, so its velocity changes to v. So produced acceleration A is equal to v minus u upon t. Hence produced acceleration is equal to the change in velocity upon time. So A is equal to v minus u upon t. Equation number 1. Since momentum is equal to mass into velocity, the momentum of a body is always equal to the mass into velocity. So initial momentum is equal to m into u, because initial velocity is u, and final momentum m into v, because mass is same m, but our velocity changes from u to v, so final momentum is m into v. Change in momentum mv minus mu, because mv is final momentum and mu is initial momentum. We can take common m, so v minus u. Let the taken time is t. means the time to apply the force is t. So rate of change in momentum m v minus u upon t. According to Newton's second law of motion, force is directly proportional to the rate of change in momentum. Hence, F is proportional to m into v minus u upon t. From equation 1, we can put the value of v minus u upon t is equal to a. So F proportional to m into a from equation 1, or F is equal to k m a, where k is the proportionality constant. If F is equal to 1 Newton, m is equal to 1 kilogram, and a is equal to 1 meter per second square. So k is equal to 1. This we can consider equation 2, and this one is 3. So from equation 3, we find that F is equal to m into a, means force is equal to mass into acceleration. So the force applied on the body is equal to the mass into produced acceleration. So this is the relation between force, mass and acceleration. That's all. Thanks.